Hi guys, this is Tanya and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm actually going to be doing a review on a new makeup line that I have been introduced to called Sistar. Okay, so I'm going to show you the big box that I received. So this is the box, nice little compact box, and when I opened it up I saw all the goodies. So I will be doing a full face today featuring Sistar products. Let me go ahead and read the back of this card that I received. It says, "Hi there, we are Sistar Cosmetics. We are dedicated to consistently providing high quality professional products for all makeup enthusiasts. We hope you enjoy your products." And I'll put the website up. It's sistarusa.com. Before I start this, I want to say thank you to my continuous subscribers. Thank you for continuously coming over and enjoying my videos, liking, commenting, and entertaining, and communicating with me, all that good stuff. I want to say, if you're not subscribed, you're missing out. You need to go ahead and click that subscription button and hit the notification bell so you can be notified on any upcoming projects or videos and reviews and whatnot that I have going on. So I'm going to go ahead and get started, and I will show you each product in the video, and I will link them down below. Thanks for watching. Down, 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 down for you.
When I'm down on my ways, I want you. Need you, so come get me when I'm down on my ways. Don't talk to me, I hate you. Just forget me when I'm down on my ways. I want you, I need you, so come get me when I'm down on my ways. Don't talk to me, I hate you. Just forget me when I'm down on my. Hate my old bitch, that's passion. Love this music, that's passion. Life is hard and that's facts. I'm insecure, so I'm acting. That weed and hands start clashing. I'm in my feelings, I'm crashing. And I don't know what to do, nah. I don't know what to do, cause I've been down this road before. Not to take it personal, but if I hit that and don't call back, then you gon' take it personal, right? So I'ma do right when the mood's right. I'm just tryna be the type that you like, but the shit you say get me tight. I can't even breathe right when I'm down on my ways. I want you, I need you, so come get me when I'm down on my ways. Come talk to me, I hate you. Just forget me when I'm down on my. I'm just trying to be a winner. Man, I've been in my zone, but this shit just take too long. I've been trying to get on to be a winner. Oh, please don't hit my phone when you see that I got on, man. I done got on to be a winner, winner. Eh, eh, winner, winner. Eh, eh, winner, winner. Man, I've been in my zone, but this shit just take too long. I've been trying to get on to be a champion. My mind just start rambling. Grown up shit I'm handling. Me, my team, we got the plan. Goddamn, why y'all hate so hard? Just tryna get a go yard. Then two finers, bruh, jogging me this out in the yard. Talking shit and we bustin'. We ain't close, no cousins. Really started from nothing. Now we really on to something. Now they wanna ride away. It's funny how this shit go. If niggas get in the way, you gotta run them off the road. But you know that I keep it on the low. Make hella moves, let nobody know. If you're getting money, then tell them that you broke. take notes from the rhymes that I wrote. If you're trying to be a winner, man, I've been in my zone, but this shit just take too long. I've been trying to get on to be a winner. Oh, please don't hit my phone when you see that I got on, man. I done got on to be a winner, winner. Eh, eh, winner, winner. Eh, eh, winner, winner. Man, I've been in my zone, but this shit just take too long. I've been trying to get on the bill. Oof, okay. I get the keys from the gods. They told me to do what I want as long as I'm going hard. So nigga, don't get in my way. You haven't had water in days. Straight zombie, you living the days. Ain't making no plays. In the DM, but don't know what to say. In my DM, but just say anything. Nigga, all I roll is raws. I think you are what you smoke. That's why you see so many L's. Rolling J's like jingle bells. Christmas tree, I'm high as hell. Ozium can't hide the smell because I got a big amount. But you know that I keep it on the low. Make hella moves, let nobody know. And if you getting money, then tell them that you broke. Take notes from the rhymes that I wrote. I'm just tryna be a winner. Man, I've been in my zone, but this shit just take too long. I've been tryna get on to be a winner. Oh, please don't hit my phone when you see that I got on, man. I done got on to be a winner, winner. Eh, eh, winner, winner. Eh, eh, winner, winner. Man, I've been in my zone, but this shit just take too long. I've been tryna get on to be a life is hard, it ain't easy. Cutting you off is just easy. I love myself, so it's easy. And no one else makes it easy. I shoot my shot like 2-3. Please do not fuck with my energy. Damn, I make it look easy. You gotta make it look easy. Life is hard, it ain't easy. Cutting you off is just easy. I love myself, so it's easy. And no one else makes it easy. I shoot my shot like 2-3. Please do not fuck with my energy. Damn, I make it look easy.
Okay guys, so that concludes my tutorial using only Sistar cosmetics, and I love it. I'm not gonna lie. I'm trying to think of like key things that I was really impressed with. I was really impressed with the concealer applicators. They're very easy to use and to pinpoint exactly where you want your concealer. The foundation was really good. I was like iffy because like especially with new brands, they can't make a large size range or color range for their cosmetic lines. They're starting out, so I was like, I don't know what is gonna match me. Because I am very like unique with my undertone. Like I'm dark, but I have like more of like an olivey undertone, so it's like I can either go with like yellows and stuff, maybe yellows, maybe neutral, like iffy for those. So I didn't know if they were gonna like mind the undertones. But the color I used, which I can't remember, I have the packages back there now, but I'll put it down below. The color I used, it really had like a neutral undertone as opposed to, I think it was burnt cinnamon, which was more orangey. So I went with that one and it worked out perfectly. I was scared it was gonna be a little too dark. It is a tad bit too dark, but the concealer like evens it out to where I could fix it. What else? So the primer I'm totally impressed with. It said it's a matte primer, and it's definitely a matte primer. Like definitely a matte primer. The eyeshadows, I love them. Only thing is I wish the shimmers were a little bit more like pigmented, I guess you can say, like darker. That's the only thing that I was like about, like the eyeshadow palette. But for the price, like you can't beat it. the brow pencil, like I'm not used to that type of brow pencil. I prefer brow gel, but it was surprisingly easy to use. The eyeliner, I don't prefer the felt tip, but it was easy to use too. So I'm really like surprised with this brand. It was really nice. I was concerned about the setting powder, but because it's like a translucent, and even though it's translucent, like if I'm darker, it still might show like too white on me. But I kind of balanced it out with my normal like face powder, and it works out perfectly. I'm loving the highlight. I love that it's in that little trio of the contouring palette. I love that. So tell me what you think, and I will definitely put the links down below so you can go ahead and make your purchases. Thanks for watching. Bye.